Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Epix on Firestick instant guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your Firestick is connected to your TV and powered on. Navigate to the home screen on your Firestick. Using your remote, scroll to the search icon located at the top left corner. Type Epix in the search bar and select it from the search results. Once on the Epix app page, click on the Get or Download button to install the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then select Open to launch the Epix app. On the welcome screen, you'll be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select Sign in and enter your credentials. If you're a new user, choose Start Free Trial to create an account. After signing in, you'll receive an activation code on your screen. Now, visit the Epix activation website on a separate device, like a computer or smartphone. Enter the activation code displayed on your Firestick into the provided field on the website. Once entered, click Activate to link your Firestick to your Epix account. Return to your Firestick, and the app will refresh automatically. Now, you can enjoy streaming Epix content directly on your Firestick. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection. You may also try restarting your Firestick for a smoother experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.